Hi, welcome to Whole View Farm. We are checking on the sheep, moving goats, as we got a storm coming in, so should be interesting. So we got some snow coming, and we're worried about these goats because temps are supposed to drop. So we are decided a chance not putting up any lines. Oh geez, we're getting attacked here. And so far it's not a problem. They're just gonna follow us. I know. Goats, goats! Goats, goats! Yeah, I shouldn't be bragging, right? Right? So we are, halfway back to the barn. We're just gonna bring them up to the training lot. And yeah, we still need a portable shelter for our goats. This is facts. We had a shelter.
Snow and sleet. Like if it was gonna snow, it wouldn't be that big a deal. But I don't know.
Goats, goats. Hey, thing two. You're missing out. Come on.
Come on, Bing Bing.
Goats, goats.
Come on. Come on, Richard.
You're staying with us?
Come on, honey. Come on, go, go. Go, go.
Popcorn.
Come on, guys.
Richard. Hey. Hey, guys. We want some grain. They figured out there's this nice grass here. They're like, hey, we could just live out here and freeze to death. Oh boy.
Come on, guys. Let's go.
Hey. I did. Goats, goats. Richard. Popcorn. Hey. Hey. Oh my goodness, they're just not into it now. Alright, you can have some sweet potato. Hey thing. You gonna get in there? You can get in there. Oh yeah. Come on, thing. Come on, honey bun. Go ahead. Get in there. Oh, popcorn. Come on, guys. I got the good stuff. Just absolute chaos. Moving goats with no fencing up. And some fresh grass popping through the stuff that we grazed about a month ago. So, here we go. Back on track. Sweet potato, keep it moving. Come on, there's nice grass in the training lot for you too. Popcorn, Richard, sweet potato, everybody. Come on, you don't want to be out here in the sleet and snow, trust me. Oh, you like that fresh grass though, don't you? Boy, they found a patch they're just into. Oh. I don't see any nettles. It's just this, whatever this grass is, they're like into it. Come on, let's go. Come on, people move on. I know, that fresh grass is so good. This fresh grass is so good. But hey, there's some in the training lot too. And Honey Bun can come out here and get the good stuff all by herself, because she can squeeze right through that pipe gate.
Got it, Dad?
Yep. Oh, success. Maybe. All right, I'll go get the dog in the machine.
Okay.
All right. All right, so goats can stay here for a day or two while the wet, nasty, cold weather comes through. And then we'll get them back out on pasture. How many goat heads can get stuck in a bucket? That's the real question.
Oh, Richard.
Somebody's getting hooked on that handle.
That was oh. Oh, dang it. Dang it. Hold on.
Oh my goodness. Well, thing two is like, this is mine now.
I know, right?
Oh, goats. All right. They don't get grain very often. They get a little excited.
Sonata's got a tick in her nose.
Oh,
Or a booger.
let's hope it's a booger.
Oh, let me see it.
All right. Hi, Zeep. You got out. Zeep got out. She wasn't waiting for me to come back. Hope you didn't train Griffin how to do that. Okay. We don't have to, but well, what do we got to do? We need dog food out there?
What?
We need dog food out there or anything? Zeep, get out here. Stay out here. Good girl.
Nobody dropped any water or anything.
Yeah. Well, good news, only one dog came back. We're getting some nice regrowth on the training lot, or the control area here. Yeah. Looking good. Well, Nikki's proven me wrong here. I thought there was no nettles popping, but there's one right there. Okay, I stand corrected. We got nettles.
It's coming up. I saw it, but it's too little.
Yeah.
Maybe
No, you're right. They're
they
all.
could totally, yeah, see, it's all right here.
A whole patch of them right here.
There's some.
Cool.
There's a bunch here.
Chickweed.
I'm like, I just saw it. No.
So this area was pasture when we bought the farm 2 years ago. And it grew in pretty good. Last June we had 40 cows that we custom grazed here. And then after that I went through with the brush mower because there's just a ton of multiflora rows coming in. So our hope is these guys are starting to chew on those budding roses and slows them down a little bit. And then I'll probably come through after with them and brush mow again because there are some, I don't know if you can see that there's one right in front of us, yeah, sticking up. So they're small. We've been beating them up. We hit them with the brush trimmer and the brush mower a couple times last year, and starting to set them back. But you got to keep at them, or they'll just take over this whole field. So just looking here at one of these multiflora rose plants, you can see where I mowed it off last year, so it is at least cropped down. And yeah, there's some nasty thorns on these things. You can see little buds starting to form here, so they should be leafing out soon. Unfortunately, I don't see a whole lot of nibbling going on here, so we'll keep trying. I think I know the sheep will eat them. At least in the fall they were eating a lot of the leaves, and the llama would get some of the taller stuff and even eat down some of the strip some of the bark off them. But yeah, so far I don't think we're getting too much nibbling on these rose bushes. So yeah, plan is to just keep strip grazing right down. If you can see the fence to my right side, but we got a long strip going. We're just going to go over that little rise and right up to the top of that hill in the back. We do have property farther beyond that, but I think that's as far as we're going to take it on this pass. Just so we're going to loop back around and stay focused on this hill. Head back over towards the barn that way, just one strip at a time, and hopefully end up under those in that hickory grove right around lambing season, middle of May. So we only have 2 wires on this side, which is fine because we got this perimeter fence right behind it. Actually 2 perimeter fences. We got a high tensile and a barbed wire, and they're in really rough shape, but it is enough. We figure between this and that, nobody's really heading that way. Yeah, this is our goal this spring, getting into summer, is to get from here down to well, all the way down this side, hopefully cleaned up, and get this old wire out of here and set up a new posts, and to have a nice high tensile perimeter fence without any of this barbed wire or chicken wire or stuff that's gonna short it out in the way. So step 1 will be get this high tensile out of the way. When this is still good wire, we can reuse that and the tensioners, but I don't think there's much in here we're going to be able to reuse for posts. So we'll get that rolled up out of the way, get the barbed wire rolled up out of the way, come in with a chainsaw and a brush cutter and just go to town, making a nice straight lane on the property line down there, and then put the wire back up, make it hot. Then we won't have to do all this next time we graze here. We'll just have power on this side, and life will be a little bit easier moving forward. Here comes trouble. Hey, buddy. Oh, good boy.
I don't know. Maybe Dolly and Star are on the whole list. Star's still skinny.
Oh yeah, I think so. Those Barbados don't seem to
Well, I'm just...
hang too well.
Yeah, she's still limping. It's been 3 months.
Yeah.
And shouldn't have a big gut.
Well, let's see if they have some lambs.
Yeah, see how they do. But...
Oh, Griffin. No, don't reward that.
I'm not.
That's what he's doing. He's body checking you to get your attention, and then you pet him.
I've been better.
It's hard to say no to that.
Look at how cute I am. Good sit.
There we go. That's what we reward.
Good sit.
Gertie's down there eating.
Well, she wanted to eat.
Yeah,
And they
good.
were barking at each other. Bark, bark, bark. You still think you need a bath. You still think you need a bath. Really? Calm down. You're so spazzy. Calm down. Chill. I know it's nice out. Poppy's like, I don't trust this dog. Look at it. Hey, off. You gonna eat the mineral? No, off. Thank you. Thank you.
Crazy dog. So, goats are in the training lot. They were just grazing on some grass over here. Sonata, are you trying to electrocute yourself? Yeah, they seem to like this green grass. I would have liked to let it recover a little more in here, but it's been about a month since they've been in here, and we got some greenery for them, so they're excited about that. Yeah, so I guess we're gonna beat up the training lot a little more for a couple days. But hey, I'm looking forward to getting some moisture on the ground, so I hope they're serious about this 5 inches of snow. Yeah, don't you want some snow, Zeep? No, not really. All right, we're gonna try to keep this one quick. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.